Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delights. Today we'll be making chicken curry with potatoes. It's creamy and full with spices. For today's recipe, I'm having here 4 pieces of bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs. I'm also having here 500 grams of potatoes. I'm using baby potatoes today, peeled and cut into fourths. Try to cut them into similar pieces. To get started, we will turn up the stove to low heat and pour in 1/3 of the coconut milk. Then in goes 30 grams of red curry paste. We will continue to stir like this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the coconut oil begins to separate out. And next, in goes 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Keep stirring until everything is well combined. Here, I'm adding some coconut milk into the pot. Now, our curry paste has become nicely fragrant. Here, you might be wondering, how do you know that the coconut oil begins to separate out? Well, if you look close enough, you can see that there is some red oil coming out. That's what we're looking for. This will give us the beautiful color for our chicken curry. After adding in chicken thighs and potatoes, add in 300 milliliters of water and bring to a boil. For seasoning, we're using 2 teaspoons of cane sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of thin soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of salt. When the curry starts boiling, we're gonna add in the rest of the coconut milk. We will then close the lid and let it simmer on low heat for about 20 minutes. To check if our chicken curry is ready, we will use a fork to poke into the potatoes. If it goes all the way through, that means that the chicken curry is ready to serve. I like to serve chicken curry with jasmine rice. And there you have it, simple and delicious chicken curry with potatoes. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.